Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G isn't recognizing your fingerprint correctly. Most often this issue is caused by glass screen protectors or plastic screen protectors. So if you have one applied to your smartphone and nothing that I'm gonna show you in this video works for you, then I recommend trying it one more time after removing your screen protector. And of course, prepare yourself a new one before you do that. If you use an original Samsung glass screen protector, this will most probably not interfere with the fingerprint scanner. However, the first thing that we're gonna have to do is go to settings, then open security and privacy menu here, and go to the lock screen menu. Enter your lock screen pattern or password, and then select fingerprints. Now, if you have previously enrolled fingerprints on your smartphone, remove them just like this. And then before adding a new fingerprint, I recommend locking your device's screen, then highlighting your device's display with some light source and using a microfiber cloth to make sure that the surface of your display is clean and smooth. If you don't have a microfiber cloth around, just use cotton fabric, for example, your t-shirt. Okay, and right now we are ready to add a new fingerprint. So let's go back to screen lock and biometrics, select fingerprints, tap continue, and select register. And now we're gonna have to tap the fingerprint pattern on the screen, and then lift the screen up lift the fingertip up once the green circle is filled, and then just repeat this process until the fingerprint is enrolled. As you can see, the pattern is slightly moving, therefore we're also gonna need to move our finger slightly to enroll the fingerprint properly. This is simply done to enroll the entire surface of your fingertip. And from now on, the fingerprint should be read correctly. So if we lock our phone and then tap the smartphone screen with our fingertip, it should unlock the phone. But in case something isn't working for you, first of all, you should update your software. So in settings, go to software update menu, tap check for updates, make sure that your device is connected to the internet, and if you have any updates available, then download and install them on your smartphone, and also restart your smartphone. So to restart your smartphone, you're gonna have to hold down power button and volume down key at the same time, then select restart, confirm, and wait until your phone is restarted. This way you will make sure that all the changes were applied. After your smartphone is restarted, you're gonna have to unlock it using your password first, then give it a moment to start, and after that, try using your fingerprint scanner once again. If it doesn't work this time, then we can still go to settings, scroll down to security and privacy again, go to lock screen, enter the password once again, and after that go to fingerprints, go to your fingerprint, tap improve accuracy, and then just perform the same operation that we did before by holding your fingertip inside this green circle 10 times to improve the accuracy of your fingerprint, and then try to unlock your smartphone once again. And in case you're still having this issue, we can still improve our fingerprint scanner furthermore by going back to fingerprints and enrolling a new fingerprint, except for this is gonna be the same fingerprint that we enrolled previously. So let's wipe the surface of the screen once again, tap register, and enroll the same fingertip once again. It will also improve the speed of the fingerprint recognition on the smartphone, but it may decrease the accuracy level. Okay, so let's press the pattern. Okay, and right now tap down. And right now everything should be working correctly. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.